Welcome to another captivating episode from Doreen McGunagle Fine Art Nature Photography. Today, we delve into the breathtaking landscapes and vital ecosystems of Big Cypress National Preserve. Doreen McGunagle, a renowned fine art nature photographer, invites you to explore the beauty and significance of Big Cypress National Preserve, a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Located in the heart of South Florida, Big Cypress National Preserve spans over 729,000 acres. Established in 1974, this preserve is a sanctuary for a diverse range of wildlife and plant communities. The unique hydrology of the preserve is essential for maintaining the health of the nearby Everglades. This delicate balance of water flow is vital for the survival of the ecosystem. Big Cypress offers a wealth of outdoor activities. Hiking, bird watching, and photography are just a few ways visitors can immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the preserve. Despite its ecological importance, Big Cypress faces several threats. Invasive species, climate change, and nearby development pose significant challenges to this delicate ecosystem. The National Park Service employs various strategies to protect this unique preserve. Water management, invasive species control, and fire management are key components of their conservation efforts. Collaborations with local and national organizations enhance these efforts, ensuring that Big Cypress is preserved for future generations. Research and education play a vital role in conservation. Programs offered at Big Cypress educate visitors about the importance of wetlands and inspire action to protect our natural resources. Community involvement is crucial. Volunteers assist in tasks ranging from invasive species control to visitor education, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility among the public. The future of Big Cypress depends on ongoing conservation efforts. Scientific research, land acquisition, and restoration projects are essential to preserving this natural wonder. In conclusion, Big Cypress National Preserve stands as a model for ecosystem management and protection. Let's work together to ensure that its beauty and biodiversity are preserved for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more nature adventures and conservation stories. See you next time.